Hello again. Today I'll be demonstrating how I made these glitter lip glosses that I have featured in my previous video. You'll need highlighter. It can be your favourite, one that you think would look nice on your lips, or some you rarely use like I used. Also lip gloss. This is just a basic £1 lip gloss I got from the hair shop. You'll need bobby pins or just something in general to scrape the highlighter and to mix the highlighter and lip gloss together. As well as that, you'll need a container to put the lip gloss in. I got these mini doe foot applicator tubes from eBay. Since it's lip gloss, you probably want to use a container that's really secure like these. You'll need a small piece of paper to help aid the process of getting the highlighter into the tube, and a cotton pad or a wipe to clean up any mess. The first step is to prepare the highlighter. So scrape off the amount of highlighter you want to use. You have the option of adding more if it's initially not enough. Fold your piece of paper and tap the highlighter into the crease. This should make it easier to guide the powder into the tube. You can also use the bobby pin to shove it in. As you can see, I filled about a third of the bottle with highlighter. Next is to fill the rest up with lip gloss. This was quite hard, I must admit, but definitely doable. After doing this 3 times before, I finally got some technique, which was to tilt the bottle and control the lip gloss into the tube slowly from the edge of the top. Using a bobby pin, get stuck in and start mixing the pigment with the lip gloss. Give it a good stir so everything's combined. Scrape off all the excess product from the bobby pin into the tube you can, and add the stopper. Without the stopper, the lip gloss will leak everywhere. Clean off the top with a cotton pad or wipe. Add the lid and you're done. Get creative and reach out for any pigments you might have that you'd love to turn into lip gloss. I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye!